This video is going to show you how to use our HSK assembling tool to mount HSK clamping gripper. Before use that, first thing first, put the grease into 3 parts. The first part is clone, 2 position, and second part spacer, the every part of the spacer, and also segment. 5 position, this position, this position, and this position, this position, and the final position like this. And every segment must to be done. And when you done the grease, you can use our tool and put every segment on the tool like this, piece by piece. Okay, like this, and use the spacer put on the grease segment like this. Okay, put it together into the spindle, inside the spindle like this. Okay, and use a little force, push inside. When you hear click, okay, like this, and you can check. You can check the segment inside spindle in the right position, and it's done. Then you can put the clamping clone into the spindle and tie it in the right location, and it's done. Okay.